Good morning, everyone. Blessed Sunday. Uh, as you can see, uh, this is Kendren Station. You see, our station is there. The two islands, three islands at the back. As you can see, uh, this is the top of the airstrip looking down Kendren Station. As you can see there, and our new hospital that is not yet opened by our good member, Honorable Joseph Lelang, still awaiting opening to be done. So this is the view of Kendren Station, uh, my friends. So you can look at it. It's a very beautiful place, very beautiful. This road is road going down to Kendren Station. As you can see, you will see some power pole being erected. Kendren Station will soon be lighted up by Voltra Power Company here. This is the road up to Kendren Secondary School and up to the Kendren airstrip. As you can see, White Karanasa Road. Very nice, a very beautiful place. If you want to spend your holiday, just come along. Come to Kendren and you will see the beautiness of Kendren. All right, good morning everyone. Blessed Sunday.